I'm Doug Shipley, Member of Parliament for Barrie-Springwater-Oro-Medonte. We're going through some tough times right now. I'm sure we'll get through this as a cohesive group. We're asking everybody to make sure there's some social spacing going on. We're asking everybody to be patient, but hang in there. Things will get better. We are. It's nice we're seeing some positive things coming out of this. I'm seeing some neighborhoods bonding together, helping each other, going to the grocery stores and supporting each other. Those are the nice things. But we are in for a tough time. It's going to last a while, and we need to get through this together. One of the things we've been hearing from people is they want a nice, concise place to go get all the information. So actually, our own website, which is www.dougshipleymp.ca. That's our own website. We have put together on there links to all the different websites that have the pertinent information. We've got links on there for the Simcoe County Health. We've got it for RVH. We've got it for the Government of Ontario, the Government of Canada, amongst many others, including the links for the economic response plan that's been put together. So that has a lot of it right on there itself. If they go to there and go onto the links, there is tons of information. We've also done some overall viewpoints of the information and put together some bullet points, and we're putting that out on social media every single day to try and bring the information together to keep it easy and simple for people to follow. Well, we're following all the guidelines that the Simcoe County Board of Health, that the provincial government and the federal government put in place. We're making sure we're using social distancing. We're not getting close to one another. Most of our staff now is working from home. We're all making sure we're washing our hands. That's one of the most important things we can all do is wash our hands, wash our hands, wash our hands. I purposely said that 3 times because we can't say that enough. We're making sure we're using some hand sanitizer. We're being cautious, being careful, and that's what you need to be. No one needs to be going out right now unless it's a pertinent thing, like they need to go out and get groceries. And even then, they need to be aware and to be careful. Don't line up close to the person behind you in the lineup. Just being aware of your surroundings and making sure you're not out. It's not okay right now just to be socializing. It's not okay to go over to friends for a dinner party. That's not social spacing. We need everybody to commit to this, and we'll get through it together. It's really up to the citizens now. We've put out the guidelines, we've put out the rules, we've put out the stipulations. We need people to follow them. If people follow them, we will lower that curve. If we don't, we will have a steep curve, and that's what's going to overrun our medical facilities. We need to make sure everybody's paying attention to the proper hygiene and follow that. It's absolutely just atrocious as to what's happened in Italy. My heart goes out to them. We are really trying for that not to happen. Doctors over there are making some very, very tough decisions right now on who's getting ventilators and who's not, and we do not want to get to that level. We've got an excellent healthcare system here. I'm sure we'll be able to take care of people as long as people are being cognizant of the measures that have been put in place for them to follow. We are 100% up and running here. This is the time when people need us the most. Our office is closed for public to come in, but we actually have staff manning the phones. We have staff answering all emails, and we have staff following all the briefings and putting out information. They can still call us, and I'd love to get out that information if I could. Our phone number is 705-728-2596, and our email is doug.shipley@parl, PARL.gc.ca. We continue to get phone calls and emails from constituents, both local and overseas. Many people are still abroad and trying to get home, and we're here helping them as much as we can. It's times like this where we need to be here, need to be supporting our constituents. I would just like to tell people to hang in there. I know anxieties are getting raised, stress levels are going up. People need to just remember to support each other, get out. You can still go for a walk, get some fresh air by yourself or with your loved one, but you've got to remain calm and remain in place. Do everything you can, and we'll get through this.